I know this location is very beautiful, even I am loving it. So let's start the video today. Today I'm here to talk about that one thing which takes away our productivity, our enthusiasm, and makes us worry all the time. The world's biggest mental health problem, that is anxiety. We can see the data and all those reports. It is increasing day by day, and because of this COVID and stuff like that, it is increasing. It is hindering our growth as an individual, our productivity, our lifestyle, our potentials are being limited because of this anxiety. Now let us understand what is anxiety, why we feel anxious most of the time, why we keep on worrying about the future. And before that, I'm going to tell you kindly, there's a request: do not level yourself. Please do not level yourself. Most of us have these problems. We keep on worrying or we are anxious about the future. But when we level our own self, that I'm suffering from this and that, then what happens? We give power to that and it keeps on increasing. We say that where focus goes, energy flows. So we are giving focus or the power to the illness, to the anxiety. Then it is increasing in our own life. Kindly do not do that and be little kind towards yourself. Let's take our focus over the solution, not on the problem. How can we solve it? What are the realizations, deep realizations which can help us? I'm going to share those realizations and what are the practical stuffs which we can do for this. So watch this video till the end. Deep faith in divine, that everything is heading towards the best. We have those worries because we do not believe, we do not have that much of faith. That's why we are worrying. So that faith that everything is heading towards the best and I'm being taken care of. And the second realization is everything is changing. Every single second, every single moment, everything is changing. So when you have that realization, you become unstoppable. And where is the ground of worrying and anxiousness? There is no such ground, because if every single thing is changing all the time, then the thing or that particular situation, event or problem which we were worried about is going to change. We have uprooted the cause. Isn't it so very powerful realization? Yes, it is. And the next realization is living in the moment. When we are into this moment, tell me, answer this question. Is there any kind of problem right now? Right now you're watching my video, everything is good and everything. Is there any problem right now? No, right? So the thing is, be in the moment, in this present moment. There is no such problem. And that past or the future, it was all this present moment. It was always now. There is never a time which is going to come as a future, as a past. It's all going to come in the form of a present moment. So having peace, being in peace with this present moment, that is going to be so very powerful. So just realize all these things and try to implement it in your own life. So now you must be thinking that I already have those realizations, but still I'm not being able to apply in my own life. So tell me something which is practical, which I can do. Tell me something like that. Are you thinking like that, isn't it? So let me tell you. I have 5 things which I'm going to share with you. First one is meditation. Yes, it's always going to be the first one. Meditate, meditate, meditate. If you have not learned yet, learn, join any yoga course and learn how to meditate. Kindly do that. And there's no such thing which can replace meditation. If you really want to live a peaceful, happy and healthy life, or if you want to be more productive or efficient, whatsoever you want, you have to practice meditation every single day. It works on our systems, our brain, muscles, our every single cell of our body. It energizes each and every cell. It reduces the stress hormones like cortisol, and it increases and induces the functioning of the happy hormones, which makes us more happy and content and more productive. So it is very scientific, which you can go and study. If you have that logical mindset, you can just go and study. There are many researchers out there. But kindly meditate, that is the first thing. Second is take care of your diet. What are you eating? This body is like a temple. You just cannot eat anything. Once in a while is fine, but take care of your diet. Because in Hindi we say, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा आहार वैसा विचार. जैसे हम खाते हैं हम वैसे ही बन जाते हैं. So it affects our whole consciousness, our body, our mind, our intellect. Everything is being affected by the way we eat, by the thing which we eat, and with the intention we eat. Everything is connected. So take care of your diet. Very powerful, right? Do that. And the third one is practice gratitude. Be thankful. Do not take life, people around you, situations, and anything for granted. Do not take it, please. Because, most of the time we do not appreciate those things which are already there. And we regret when they are not there. So be thankful for everything. Every single thing. And it's worth it. Just practice it and see it for yourself. It's worth it. And the next one is maintain a to-do list. Why we feel anxious? Because we feel left out, or we feel that, we are running late on time, or we are unable to achieve those targets and stuff like that. So maintain a to-do list and just accomplish all those tasks and tick them and get it done for yourself. It's going to help you a lot, yeah. And the next thing is have a higher purpose in life. Have a bigger vision. When our vision is just focused on our own self, what about me? What about me all the time? We are bound to be anxious. We are bound to be worried about it. Because the focus is small. We become selfish. And when there is selfishness, there is fear. There is greed. There is anger. There is jealousy. And all these things makes you anxious and unhappy. So have a higher purpose. Have a bigger vision, which includes the world, which includes the people around you. It's going to change and transform your life. I hope all these practical tools and steps which I told you, it's going to help you a lot. Just practice it and tell me if it's going to help you. I'm here to listen to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just share it with the world and let's create a wave of positivity across the globe. There are many people out there who are feeling anxious and depressed in this difficult times. We need to share this positivity with the world, people. So share this message and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Lots of love and blessings. Bye bye.